So hi guys, I am Deepak and today in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the AllExtreme Karaoke Mic. So let's now take an overview of the box and see what we get. So here are the features of the mic. First, you can listen to FM radio. You can sing songs, take selfie, play songs via USB, TF card. Also, you can record your own songs. Looks like, so let's just quickly take it out of the box. To my shadow. Wireless microphone. Opening up the box, we've got two cables. One is for charging up the mic and another is the one which helps in recording. Then we got the main unit, the mic itself. And the last item in the box is the user manual. So here is the mic. The build quality of the mic is completely flawless. The base of the mic seems to be made up of aluminium or metal, and the top grill is also made up of metal. You get a lot of controls of the mic with the buttons that are available on the mic. You can tweak around the buttons to get an idea of what these do. Below are 4 ports. One is for charging up the mic, and which also double up as a connecting cable while recording with the mic. Then there is an output 3.5mm jack, which is used to send the output of the mic to an external speaker. Then comes a USB port and a TF card port. One thing more, you can also sing along while this music is playing in the mic. Now I am already playing NCS sound in the mic, which is playing from the speakers, and along I am singing. I can sing or say anything in the mic. So I have been using this mic for a lot of time, and I would say that this mic is really good to have fun with your friends. If you've always wanted a karaoke mic, this is the one for you. You can play Antakshari with your family, or you can do anything you want with this mic. The Bluetooth speaker is the added bonus you get with this mic. So this is pretty much it for this video. If you liked what you saw, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thanks.